Hello, everyone. Welcome to EMILY.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. After introducing how to make a template file and previewing the output file in the last lesson, we are going to introduce how to fill in the text in the template file by using the Templater module today. When you need to create a lot of similar documents or documents in the same format, it is very suitable to use this module, because you only need to replace some words or phrases in the document to send it to different people. For example, if a landlord needs to send a rental agreement to different tenants, and she or he only needs to change the names and contact information in the document to send it to different people, she or he can use this module to produce different agreements. Now we show you how to fill in the text. First, we open the training mode. Click Templater. Pick the doc template. Then we can look at where we need to fill in the file. Open the file and you can see at the top there is a text variable wrapped by two percentage symbols, and this variable will be replaced by the text we want to fill in. For example, for %YYYY per millimeter percent, we want to fill in the year and month. In the code editor, we can write the following code. After filling it in, click Test. Open the doc file in the workspace and you'll see that the original variable has been replaced with 2024-01. Output is the doc file we want to produce. It's an object. If we want to replace the variable YYYYMM with 2024-01, we can do so by entering the same text inside brackets and quotes as the text between the two percentage signs. On the right of the equal sign, fill in the desired text between the quotes. Therefore, if you replace it with 2024-02 in your code, the text variable in the output document will become 2024-02. You may encounter several situations that make the output document different from what is expected. One scenario is your template document contains individual percent symbol, which the program might mistakenly interpret as variables, leading to unexpected output. You could replace the percentage symbol word with %. Or use a variable, %PCT% in the document. Then add a line in the code, output PCT equals %, to add the percentage symbol afterwards. Another issue is if the output document shows undefined, which indicates that a variable in the template document wasn't filled by the program. You should check if the keys used in output in the program correspond to the variables in the document. For example, output % equals % and percentage % won't match and it will show undefined. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.